1966 El Camino rear end. I'm putting it in a 68 El Camino 396. It's missing wheel studs, so I bought some studs off Rockauto and some lug nuts. I use this to hold it. That side doesn't have any studs. I got new ones. I put 2 washers and put it in through the back, and then I just kept tightening this until it pulled that stud all the way in. And this one went good. I'm going to do the other 5. And I got extra lug nuts so I can get the chassis rolling, but this one's finished now. But that's all it took. It went in easier than I thought. I cleaned it up with a 1/2-inch fitting brush. And there's the new stud. It's about a 1/4 inch longer than the old ones. I don't care. Dropped one. I'm going to do this side next. Get all 5 new studs on this side. I got to order brake parts someday. That's it. 1966 El Camino wheel studs. Got them all done. 5 on this side, 1 on the other side, so I'm getting closer. We need the brake cylinder and all the brake parts on this side. See what happens, but I have it rear end now.